Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Akib Ahmad. I am from class SI1112G. Today I'm gonna present about the network connectivity setup project. Firstly, we are going to the school introduction and Sekolah Kebangsaan Hamzah 1. Sekolah Kebangsaan 1 is a government national primary school under the Ministry of Education Malaysia (MOE) that was located in the Machang, Kelantan. The school code is DBB21883. The school follow the Malaysian national curriculum and provide quality primary education. It is also offer preschool and the special education integrated program PPKI to the promote inclusive education and holistic student development. Next, we go into the mission and vision objective. Mission of the Sekolah Kebangsaan Hamzah is to sustain a quality education system that develop the potential of individual to fulfill the aspiration of the nation. Vision is the quality education, educated people and prosperous nation. Objective firstly is next we go into the objective. Firstly is a mystery of 4MS. It ensures all pupils master the basic skill of reading, writing, counting and reasoning by the end of primary education. Second is academic excellence that enhancing student performance in the classroom basis assessment PBD and various district level academic program. Third, we have character development is installing noble values, strict discipline and integrity to build well-rounded personalities. And lastly is core curricular success that developing student talent in sport, club and uniform bodies to compete at zone, district and state level. Next, this is we gonna task about organisation chart and lab schedule. This is our Sekolah Kebangsaan Hamzah organisation chart. This is lab schedule in Sekolah Kebangsaan Hamzah. Next, we going to discuss about the project requirement analysis. Firstly, is user analysis. The proposal computer laboratory is designed for primary school students age 7 until 12 years old with the capacity of 30 students for processing. The laboratory will also be used by teachers to conduct computer-based learning activities. Therefore, the system must be user-friendly, reliable and suitable for educational purpose. Next, we are going to functional requirement. The computer laboratory must support various educational activities, including first, we have interactive learning section and internet browsing and online research, multimedia and audio visual presentation, educational games and application, information technology IT subject, and document creation and editing. This system should provide smooth performance and allow multiple users to access resources simultaneously. Then we are going to the network requirement analysis. For successful implementation of the project, effective network infrastructure needs to be set up to ensure effective communication amongst all of the computer in the computer lab. The network must have efficient internet connection, effective IP addressing for all the computer, and fully operational router and network switches. Then the network also need to installation of proper network cable, interaction among all the networkers computer, and secure the reliable and local area network LAN. The suggested network structure would follow the star topology where all the computer will be connected to a central network switch. This kind of network structure has been chosen due to ease of management and expansion in future. And we go into the environmental and safety requirement. The computer laboratory must provide a comfortable and safe environment for users. The room should be equipped with air condition and adequate lighting and proper ventilation to maintain a conducive learning atmosphere. And also the safety measures such as fire extinguisher, emergency exit and cable management system and CCTV surveillances should also be installed. In addition, ergonomic furniture should be provided to ensure students can use the computer comfortably during the learning session. Next, I'm going to pass to my friend Haziq to continue the presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haziq Nazik Muhammad Najib and I am presenting hardware and networks requirements. First off, we're going to talk about hardware. The first thing is the processor, which is CPU. We picked AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. We picked this because it is reliable. It has 6 core and 12 threads processor. While we picked this because it is reliable for web browsing, educational purposes, and also it is good for multitasking. For next one, we pick motherboard. For the motherboard, we picked MSI A250 A Pro. This motherboard it supports the Ryzen 5 AMD Ryzen 5 and DDR4 memory. It includes an M.2 slots for NVMe SSD and PCIe 3.0 expansion slots, making it suitable for future upgrades while keeping the cost low. For the next one, we're gonna talk about RAM. The RAM we picked Kingston Value RAM, 16 gigabytes, DDR4 3200. The computer uses 16 GBs of DDR4 memory running at 3200 megahertz. This allows multiple applications to run smoothly without slowing down, making it suitable for multitasking and other classroom activities that the teacher would do. For storage, we go with Kingston MV3 500 GB NVMe SSD. The 500 gigs of NVMe SSD provides much faster boot and loading speeds compared to traditional hard drives. It also offers enough storage for Windows, educational software, and students' files. And it also is more safer and faster than hard drives because it doesn't use fan. It just uses modern technologies. For the graphics card, we go with MSI GeForce GTX 1650. It is the 6 Ventus XS OC with its what do you call it? With the VRAM of 4 GB. The GTX 1650 with 4 gigabytes of with 4 gigabytes of VRAM of GDDR6. Memory supports multiple multimedia, educational software, and basic graphic applications. It also allows the lab to run more demanding programs if required in the future, so it is future proof. For power supply, we go with Cooler Master. And Cooler Master IMD 550 bronze. This 550 watts power supply is 80 plus bronze certified, providing it is providing stable and energy efficient power to all computer components while reducing electricity consumption. So it is very energy saving, you could say. For the monitor, we picked Acer EK24TY 23.8-inch Full HD IPS. The Acer Full HD IPS monitor provides 1920 1080p resolution with wide viewing angles and clear image quality, making it comfortable for students during long learning sessions. For the computer case, we go with TechWare Nexus M, which is micro ATX. The TechWare Nexus M is a compact micro ATX case with good airflow and cable management. It keeps the internal components organized and helps minimize and maintain proper cooling. And also, it is very small, which is good, which helps with which helps with space. UPS, for the UPS, we go with CyberPower BU1003E. The 1000 VA UPS protects the computers from sudden power outage and voltage fluctuations, preventing hardware damage and reducing the risk of data loss. For the mouse, we go with wired optical Logitech B100. The Logitech B100 is a reliable wired optical mouse with plug and play functionality. It requires minimal maintenance and is suitable for classroom use. For the speaker, we go with for the keyboard, I forgot the keyboard. The keyboard, we go with Logitech K120. This keyboard is a durable USB keyboard designed for daily use. It provides comfortable typing and is commonly used in actions for office. For the speaker, we go with a Logitech ZT20. The Logitech speakers provide clear audio for educational video presentation and multimedia learning activities. For the cooling fan, we pick Deepcool RF 120. The cooling fan improves airflow inside the computer cases and helps keep the internal components at a safe operating temperature. For the last one, CPU cooler, we pick Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black. The CPU cooler dissipates heat from the processor more efficiently than the stock cooler. This helps maintain stable performance and extends the lifespan of the CPU during continuous use. So that's it from hardware. For the next one, we go